in audit and assurance division. Sorry, department बोलना था. रुको दोबारा.
कोई बात नहीं.
दोबारा से बोल दूंगी एक बार मैं.
अरे नहीं of the division
नहीं नहीं एक बार.
अब शुरू करें फिर से.
जैसे मर्जी.
फिर से स्टार्ट कर लो.
हाँ. I'm Abhinav, आप देख रहे हैं UIB Abhinav and हमारे साथ है हरलीन कौर, CA हरलीन कौर and CA नेहा चौहान मैम.
Thank you so much, first of all, Abhinav, for calling us and inviting us for a short interaction. So, myself, CA Harleen Kaur, and after qualifying CA, so I started working with Deloitte, and after that, I had a good exposure with Ernst & Young, so holding a good experience at Big Four firm. After that, I decided to follow my passion, which I was really eager to go and move forward and teach CA students about interviews and communication skills. So it was very difficult for me because coming out from a Big Four, first of all, I came back to Chandigarh and I tried teaching in different colleges and schools. So schools had a big ban because without B.Ed, even if you're a chartered accountant, it's a higher qualification for them, but B.Ed is must. So I felt very bad that being a CA also I'm not allowed to teach in a school, but that passion still continued with me. So I approached different colleges, universities, and there I was given a chance to teach students for the interviews, business communication skills. At the same time, I joined our own Institute of Chartered Accountants of India for GMCA SOC classes. I feel glad to share Neha has been my student also. So that is how I came into this, following my passion of journey of interviews and communication skills.
I too have been a student of ma'am, but she might not remember because I was before COVID batch.
Yes, yes.
I was COVID batch.
Okay,
COVID,
on the online Zoom
online
sessions, yes. I had multiple Zoom sessions at that time, back to back, because we had calls from Shimla, Delhi office, Jaipur office, all these offices.
Very interesting. We are going to thrash Big Fours. So, आपने नाम ले दिया now.
Definitely.
Neha ma'am.
So I'm a qualified chartered accountant and currently I'm working in one of the big six in audit and assurance department.
पहले अब मेरे को आप बताओ what inspired you to become a chartered accountant. दोनों को आपको शेयर करना है कि फर्स्ट इंस्पिरेशन क्या थी, क्योंकि लोगों को पता भी नहीं होता है चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी एक फील्ड है, इसको कैसे अप्रोच करें, कैसे करनी चाहिए सब.
So what I recall is when I was in class 3, so I just heard students were saying, we were just discussing among kids, I want to be a doctor, I want to be an engineer. So just a thought came in my mind because my uncle is also a chartered accountant. So this is a field I've heard about it in the house. So I just randomly said, I want to be a CA. So that is how the dream came in my mind without even knowing what CA is. I just said it that time. But once I cleared my 10th and I went to 11th, 12th, I did not take maths. And you won't believe, Abhinav, when I entered CA foundation, it was horrifying for me to see that maths has to be cleared. So I
love maths.
Actually, I was having that fear because I still don't know those integration signs.
Maths
differentiation, integration.
So badly at schools के बच्चों को fear हो जाता है.
I know. But I had that fear of maths in my mind in class 10. That's why I did not take it in 11th and 12th.
बिल्कुल.
But then I love to tell my CA students that even if I was not confident about maths, but I was nicely studying my other subjects, accounts, law, economics, and then you have a balance of stats and maths. I think you still have the same in CA foundation. So if you have the courage, you can do anything. So that was my first inspiration, which I picked up from my accounts teacher, that Harleen, start saying ho jayega. I always used to go for my accounts tuitions and I used to tell them that, sir, maths to aata nahi hai, so I'm not going to, matlab hoga nahi. So sir once told me, whenever you enter the classroom, you're always saying hoga nahi, kal se jab bhi aaoge na, start saying ho jayega. And that was the spirit from where I learned about how to be positive in life.
How you self-talk to yourself वो बहुत important होता है, I think, किसी भी फील्ड में.
Exactly.
Especially जब आप स्कूल से निकल जाते हो तो रियल लाइफ में एंटर करते हो. मैंने तो यही देखा है. अगर मैंने ये बोल के सोच रहा हूँ कि मैं बात ही नहीं कर पाऊँगा, सो कुछ बात ही नहीं होती कुछ भी, या फिर मैं फॉर एग्जांपल नहीं पढ़ पाऊँगा, नहीं पढ़ पाते आप. Unless मैं कुछ को बोलूँ कि
I think it's in your mindset what really matters a lot.
Ma'am, what about you?
So in my case, it was not like that I wanted to be a chartered accountant. So when I was in 11th standard, I joined my tuitions late and my tutor took my test. So I scored really well, like I scored the highest marks, I guess. And in all the upcoming tests in 11th and 12th standard, I was, on the top. So my teacher motivated me and he motivated me that you have to pursue CA. So that's how my CA journey began. So it was not a dream. to be a CA, but yes, this is how I landed into CA.
वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. मैं क्योंकि इन क्लास 11 12 या तो मैं टॉप करता था या मैं फेल होता था. आई हैड टू, एंड इट वाज रोटेशनल सब्जेक्ट्स में. सो टीचर मेरे से पूछते थे कि इस बार इकोनॉमिक्स में टॉप करेगा या किसी और में, या अकाउंट्स में. सीए स्टूडेंट जर्नी, जब आप सीए स्टूडेंट थे, आप दोनों ही.
So Neha would like to share first.
Yeah, sure. So I started with my CA CPT. At that time, it was called Common Proficiency Test, and now it is Foundation. So when I started my CA Foundation journey, I enrolled myself, and I started coming for the tuitions at ICA only. And Harleen ma'am used to teach us law. So
Which, yes, one of my favorite subjects. That is how I started teaching CA Foundation Law.
आपने ये भी तो बताना था ना, आप छुपा के रख रहे
Yes,
हो कि
yes,
मैं
I
law
was just
भी
coming on
पढ़ाती
it.
थी.
I was just coming
I'll
on
come
it.
back to communications part also. That is very
Yes.
important. I'm sorry for interrupting. But
Yeah.
law part, I'll
Definitely.
You know what? I'll take a note of it.
Yes.
I'll have to ask you that.
Yes,
Hanji, please,
yes, yes.
Continue.
So I enrolled myself in CA CPT, and I started coming for the tuitions at ICA only, and Harleen ma'am used to teach law subject. And at that time, there was a CA Fest preparations going on there. So I am a person who is very keen to participate in extracurriculars. So I participated in that, and even won some competitions in that. So only 1 month was left for the CA CPT, and I worked hard and I studied hard, and I cleared my CA foundations. Then I enrolled myself for the CA Inter, and I was preparing for the Group 1. So just 2-3 days before my exams, I was diagnosed with dengue, and I was unable to give my exams. So after that, I decided that I'll give both the groups of CA Inter, and I gave in the next attempt, and I was able to clear that. Then I started my articleship journey with one of the renowned firms in Chandigarh only.
We
So,
share somewhat a background, so हम नाम नहीं लेंगे, but
yeah.
मेहनत करनी सिखा देती है, बस ये बोल देंगे.
बिल्कुल मेहनत करना सिखा देते हैं CA firms. So I learned a lot in those 3 years of training. So I gave my CA finals, and it took me multiple attempts to clear my CA finals, and then I cleared in November 2022. So after that, I attended the ICA campus placement program, and I got selected in one of the big 6. So I joined my corporate journey in March 2023, and till now I am working there only.
I think students को ये भी नहीं पता होता है. Campus placements are really good. I got, I think, 4 to 5 offers from campus placement only.
Yeah, you do
For
get.
my industrial, मतलब मेरा even मतलब I mean कोई मेरा इतना high background भी नहीं था. But I got offers क्योंकि मेरा शायद resume अच्छा था.
Resume,
I
that
could
is
talk-
why I
I could talk
chosen
well.
Abhinav. That is why I chosen this field of interview preparations, because many a time a chartered accountant student, we all know that we are very hardworking because we are part of a toughest course all over.
Yeah.
So, but we forget to groom ourselves in that degree because we're just generally opening up income tax books and law books and accounts every time we want to read that. But we forget what we have to tell about ourselves, which is the first basic question in an interview. So that's how I thought, that's how I connected to myself that this is the field which CS students really need to work upon.
Very relevant to me as well, मैम, क्योंकि मेरी पॉडकास्टिंग जर्नी शुरू भी तब हुई when I got really good at speaking. कैसे? Because I was selling stuff for my friends. मैं बिजनेस उनके साथ कर रहा था. So cold calling, farmer cooperative से जाके मिलना. तो it was a farming based business. So मेरे को लगा मैं इंटरेस्टेड हूँ, मेरे को कुछ भी सीखना है. So two people, me and my friend, we started that firm. And इतनी ज़्यादा लोगों से बात करना, इतनी ज़्यादा रिजेक्शंस झेलना, उससे मेरे को बात करना गया. सो इंटरव्यूज आर लाइक दिस फॉर मी. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि हाउ कैन आई टेल देम कि मैं एसेट हूँ,
Exactly.
है ना, फॉर द फर्म, एंड हाउ कैन दे यूटिलाइज माय टैलेंट्स. मेरा ये टैलेंट है, हाउ वुड यू यूटिलाइज मी.
And that a person only who knows how to speak, that is a skill, that is an art that you have to learn. Exactly.
मैं खुद को आर्टिस्ट नहीं बोलता.
Right, good. So we all are here to learn from each other, I believe.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. सो पॉडकास्ट का मेरा रीज़न भी यही था, दैट टू हैव वंडरफुल गेस्ट्स अराउंड फ्रॉम डिफरेंट अक्रॉस फील्ड्स. मेरे साथ म्यूजिशियंस थे, अभी रिसेंटली बॉलीवुड के लोग भी आने वाले हैं, बिजनेसमैन, डिफरेंट पीपल. बट मेरे को एक चीज़ उनमें कॉमन लगती है, दैट दे आर रियली गुड स्पीकर्स और दे आर वेरी 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 हाई टैलेंटेड. मतलब ऐसा है कि आपके स्पीकिंग स्किल्स को ना आप निगलेक्ट तब कर सकते हो इफ़ यू आर लाइक टॉप 1% ऑफ द 1%. हम जैसों के लिए मैं आपको अपने आप को एवरेज मानूंगा इन द CA फील्ड. इन कॉमर्स फील्ड जो मैंने चूज़ ही ऐसे करी थी कि मेरे को अगर अपनी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल बढ़िया नहीं करी, सो आई वोंट बी एबल टू ग्रो. एंड बिजनेस में ये आई थिंक बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रू हो जाता है.
बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रू है, बहुत ज़्यादा. सो मेनी टाइम्स स्टूडेंट थिंक दैट बिजनेस है तो फिर हमें इंटरव्यू नहीं देनी, तो हमें नहीं चाहिए. बट दे फेल टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट इट इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट टू बी अपफ्रंट इन फ्रंट ऑफ क्लाइंट्स. So if you don't know how to speak, how will you sell?
बिल्कुल, मेरे फ्रेंड्स कुछ बनिए हैं, दे आर द बेस्ट सेल्समैन, दे आर द बेस्ट इन बिजनेस। क्यों? उनको जी हुजूरी इतनी बढ़िया तरीके से आती है ना, मतलब आप बीट ही नहीं कर सकते उनको। सो दैट इज व्हाई बनियाज आर रियली गुड एट, इवन सीए बनियाज आर डैम गुड मैम, डैम
Exactly.
मतलब सीए में आप एडवर्टाइज नहीं कर सकते, कुछ नहीं कर सकते। आपको क्लाइंट या तो वर्ड ऑफ माउथ से आएगा,
Word of mouth.
ठीक है, या आपका वॉक इन हो गया। वॉक इन इज़ वेरी रेयर, वर्ड ऑफ माउथ ओनली वर्क्स अगर आपका बहुत एक्सेप्शनल सर्विस अलॉन्ग विद दैट एक्सेप्शनल बिहेवियर,
Exceptional behavior.
क्योंकि सर्विसेज आप रिप्लेसेबल हो, एज सिंपल एज दैट। सीए फर्म्स आपस में रिप्लेसेबल हैं, बट आपका गुड बिहेवियर वो क्लाइंट रिलेशन बिल्ड करता है, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है। हम बहुत ऑफ टॉपिक जा रहे हैं, इसके बारे में और बात करेंगे, पर मेरे को जानना है आपके चैलेंजेस जो आपको जर्नी में आए थे अभी करियर के, इंक्लूडिंग योर जॉब सर्च, इंक्लूडिंग योर फॉर एग्जांपल लॉ टीचिंग।
So like Neha correctly mentioned that when she joined over there, I was teaching over there as CPT teacher for law. So that is how my journey towards CA students teaching for law started. So I always had the love for this subject, that is law. But again, it was very
I hate
difficult. You hate law. So we have different subjects. You love maths, so I love law. And this is one thing which I tell my CA students also, that if you really want to score well, you have to fall in love with your books. So law is one subject which I have been really loving, and it's been 9 to 10 years I have been teaching law along with my this freelancing work of as a personality development coach. I'm working along with this. I have been teaching CA foundation students law. Recently I have started taking up corporate laws for CA intermediate students also.
वैसे एक चीज़ और बताऊंगा मैं, जैसे आई थिंक आई हेट लॉ, बट व्हेन आई वाज स्टडिंग लॉ एंड आई गॉट गुड एट इट, द फीलिंग ऑफ इट वाज लाइक कि आप किसी सब्जेक्ट में बुरे और उसमें अच्छे होने लग जाओ ना, तो वो तो
बहुत
आपको
ज़्यादा
लगता है
मैटर
कि
करता है,
ये तो
बहुत
क्या
ज़्यादा।
कमाल ही कर रहा हूँ, या तो मैं सीख सकता हूँ
हाँ।
या मेरा डर नकली था पहले का।
Seriously.
सो दोनों ही पॉजिटिव चीज़ें
So both the subjects, income tax, indirect taxes, like I scored in 70s during my CA finals also. So I did not get a rank just because I was given single groups. Otherwise,
अरे आप रैंक होल्डर हो,
so
ओके।
no. But it was like it was like single group. So that's why the rank did not come. Otherwise, it was 76, 78 in law and income tax subjects.
damn good मैम।
So that's the reason I have love for these theoretical, technical subjects. Teaching any subject, you have to stay updated. So that is one thing, but I would just like to throw some light about how my teaching journey actually began when I started working with Gyan Jyoti Institute of Management and Technology. So when I came back after having good experience at big 4 firms, I told you that like teaching was very difficult. A CA student को teaching chance नहीं मिलता. So that was the college when I got a chance that they were not even requiring कि आप UGC have to be there or B.Ed has to be there. There's a compulsion
I
for
think that's
teaching.
a government regulation.
Yes. So they gave me a chance being a CA student. So that is how my passion for teaching again grew much, and I feel proud to share that being a CA, I was teaching MBA students, and that also HR subjects. So at times we say that CA versus MBA wali cheez thi, and without doing MBA, I was teaching MBA students just because again that hard work kind of thing goes with CA students. So if you ask me about challenges, yes, I had to study a lot. The first subject that I've started teaching over there was training and development. So see, that is why I am myself as a trainer today, because I've studied about those subjects. It's a self-study. So if you do...
So you got a बिल्कुल ही different field.
Different fields, I love
of
to
study.
explore. Actually, I just love to explore. So I have been exploring. I have been, when you have love for the books, so you enjoy teaching subjects also, and maybe it is different subjects or something like that.
बट सीए स्टूडेंट्स को fear of books हो जाता है।
Fear of books,
मेरे
नहीं.
को तो पसंद है बुक्स, बट हाँ अगेन मैनी ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स जो हमारे स्कूल सिस्टम में भी थोड़ा बुक्स को ऐसे पढ़ाया जाता है कि हमें डर होता है बुक्स का और हमें नफरत हो जाती है, तो बंदा अपने कोर्स के बाद बुक उठाता ही नहीं कभी।
Yeah.
आई लव रीडिंग, बट आई थिंक ये एक हैबिट है जो मेरे को लगता है सबको होनी चाहिए।
Exactly, yeah.
सो मैम आपके चैलेंजेस ड्यूरिंग योर करियर, ड्यूरिंग योर सीए जर्नी?
So in my case, as I did my articleship from mid-size and then I joined Big Six, so the shift wasn't change in the working environment. जो working culture था वो बिल्कुल different था. Earlier in mid-size we have to report to the partner directly, right? But in Big Six, you have to
chain.
follow a hierarchy. You will report to your immediate manager, then that immediate manager will report to a senior director and then partner. So there is a hierarchy thing that goes in Big Six, and also you are responsible for your work and also for your juniors' work. So you have to review their work. You have to you have to coach the juniors also. So you have to do your work, you have to coach your juniors, you have to review their work, and you have to submit your work along with the juniors' work. So also there was a lot of work pressure initially, but later on, slowly and gradually I adapted to that environment, and I learned a lot in my firm.
अपार्ट फ्रॉम योर फर्म एनी चैलेंजेस जैसे आपने सीए पढ़ते हुए किए जो आपको
CA
फेस हुए?
या CA पढ़ते हुए जो मुझे लगता है वो था कि एक ऑडिट सब्जेक्ट, सो
Oh,
आई हैड अ
same,
फियर ऑफ ऑडिट
same.
सब्जेक्ट, तो वो मेरा फियर निकल नहीं रहा था एंड उसकी वजह से मेरे अटेम्प्ट्स लगे थे फाइनल्स में. सो देन मैंने एक टीचर हैं CA शुभम केसानी, तो मैंने उनका बैच लिया था और दैट वर्कड फॉर मी लाइक
I
मैजिक.
think Shubham Kesani arrived at previous CA student
Yeah,
CA
the CA
conference.
student fest, I think
right,
some
right, जहाँ पे
conference. Yes,
विशाल
yes, yes,
रट्टेवाल
yes.
भी थे, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
he was
yes.
there present at that
Okay,
time.
okay,
Yeah.
okay.
सो मैंने उनसे कोचिंग्स ली एंड मेरे मार्क आई स्कोर्ड एग्जाम्शन.
हाँ.
जिस सब्जेक्ट में मैं फेल हो गई थी आई स्कोर्ड एग्जाम्शन दैट्स व्हाट. तो मुझे लगता है कि जिस तरीके से टीचर पढ़ा रहा है वो भी बहुत मैटर करता है कि वो कैसे आप उस सब्जेक्ट को फन बना रहे हैं. सो उनका वो टैगलाइन भी लर्न विद फन. सो मुझे उस सब्जेक्ट पे जो फियर था, वो चैलेंज जो मैं फेस कर रही थी, तो उस पर उनकी वजह से बहुत
मेरे
help
को
हुई.
भी ऐसा लगता है टीचर का रोल मेरी लाइफ में बहुत बड़ा रहा है. सो
Exactly.
मैं आई एम ऑलवेज बायस्ड अबाउट माई टीचर्स, क्योंकि एक ये भी चीज़ होती है कि लोग बोलते हैं देर आर नो बैड टीचर्स, देर आर नो बैड स्टूडेंट्स, वट एवर. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है देर आर ओनली बैड टीचिंग मेथड्स.
Exactly.
So, हो सकता है वो
That is
टीचर्स
very
को नहीं
true.
पता हो और स्टूडेंट कनेक्ट ना करे.
Students, so that's what I want to tell you, that like you were asking me about the challenges of teaching, I would like to connect with this thing, that if you have a connection with a student, that is very important to form a connect. Like if I am teaching on Zoom, I am online teacher, students are not, sometimes they are not, we are not visible to them. So you are just talking to them through a chat box or something. So if you are being interactive, if they are enjoying the way you are teaching, then only you can grow in this career. So it's very important to teach them the way they want to listen it. If you are just coming and like I also take sessions for presentation, so I keep telling my students that if you're just talking to your presentation, nobody is going to listen to you.
Yep.
So you prepare well, that is no doubt, but then you talk to them. You should never be looking at your presentation when you're presenting something. So similarly, while teaching, you have to be very interactive. So that can happen only if you have prepared your task very well.
Yeah, I think ICI is going towards a good direction.
Exactly.
काफ़ी
yes.
चेंजेस आ रहे हैं इन अ गुड वे. एंड मैं वो हूँ जो शाय नहीं करता किसी की बुराई करने से, बट मेरे को लगता है थोड़े थोड़े चेंजेस आ रहे हैं इन गुड वे. और मैंने ब्यूरोक्रेसी थोड़ी देखने लग गया हूँ, जैसे पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ में भी एंड ICI में भी. सो इट इज़ पॉलिटिकल, बट मेरे को लगता है देयर इज़ अ ट्रेजेक्टरी टुवर्ड्स गुड.
Exactly.
So
yeah.
that feels like nice. Now moving on to next question. आप लोग अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ कैसे बैलेंस करते हो विद योर प्रोफेशन? डू यू गिव प्रायोरिटी टू वन और अदर? How do you approach
So
that?
mine is one of the reason why I'm doing this online stuff as a freelancer is because I love to give time to my family. So I have a son, 11 years old. So he's one of the reason. When he was 6 years old, he told me once when I was teaching in Gyanjyoti College, Mama, something can happen that why don't you just sit at home and start working? So I think this was in 2019 when he mentioned this thing in December. So 2020 COVID came and the things just changed and his prayers got answered. I started working from home only. So I just take assignments which are work from home. So also apart from my teaching law, I'm working as a trainer with Institute of Professional Banking. So I'm working as a personality development coach for them, and we are training banking students, helping them to get placed in a bank.
Nice.
So yeah, so it's also a wonderful course where we invite them for 3 months and we take their banking classes and personality development classes, and we help them to get the placement as well. So everything is now just work from home only. So it is again challenging also sitting at home. You are managing your family also, but at least my son feels that satisfaction, and I feel that satisfaction that I'm in front of his eyes. Even if I'm the laptop, he has that satisfaction that mama is at home. So I believe work-life balance has really become
बिल्कुल. मेरे
comfortable
को
for
ऐसा
me.
लगता है कि when you become a parent, so there is a shift in your mindset about things.
Exactly.
That is why I really do not want any responsibility till I'm 30.
Yeah, these things happen and they come naturally when the
नहीं,
times
बिल्कुल
come.
naturally,
then.
and it's beautiful, but at the
Yeah.
same time मेरी priorities, for example, अभी मैं risk taking हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा.
Yeah, yeah.
मेरे को पता है अगर एक बार responsibility आ गई, family की चीज़ें आ गई, अभी भी है, but अभी I can handle them, जितनी limited है. So अगर एक बार वो वाली किसी और की responsibility आ जाती है,
Exactly.
एक छोटे there's a life that depends on you. That is a very big
and
change.
I would like to add to it, Abhinav, that
हाँ
at
जी.
your life and at stage of this place where CA students are also, once they have become chartered accountants, they must give themselves an exposure to big four firms. Don't be shy about it that you have to work 12-14 hours and how will I manage, because this is the time when you don't have such family responsibilities. So I still cherish those 5 to 6 years when I was working with Deloitte and Ernst & Young, so I was always on my toes. Like I still remember that coming back home in Delhi at 2 a.m., I used to get a message from my boss, Harleen, the cab will be standing down at 7 a.m. And I used to shout and yell at that time, ki, what is this? I've just come home at 2 a.m. I've not even had my dinner. I'm going to sleep and the cab is going to come. But then you should have the feel of that working pressure, because that is the only age where you can feel that pressure, and it really makes you tough. So today, if I have to face such kind of challenges, I'm like ready for that, even if I don't have to go for that, but still I am prepared, because at the back of mind, something you have tried in life.
मैं इसमें छोटा सा पॉइंट ऐड करूँगा. आई डोंट वांट के ऑडियंस को लगे दैट मैम इज प्रमोटिंग सम.
हाँ, yes, it's not at all like that. इसको काट ही देना.
नहीं कोई बात नहीं. इसमें ऐड ऑन करूँगा दैट शी इज नॉट प्रमोटिंग कि आप बिल्कुल ही अंधा काम करो. बट आई थिंक अगर आप अपने लिए काम कर रहे हो तो इस एज में करना पड़ सकता है बहुत ज़्यादा. बट इफ इट इज़ एन एक्सप्लॉयटेटिव वर्क एनवायरनमेंट, maybe you need to change that.
Yes, that is very important. And at the same time, I also want to add to the for females, the security matters first. So I used to tell these things also in my institute when I used to sit late night at ENY, and also, and used to tell them, if somebody is going to accompany me and I'm going to get the official cab, then I don't mind sitting late. So you should take care of yourself first, then you should go beyond. Exploitation should never happen. That is very important.
But work culture Indian firms में is not that good. I've seen the difference कि employees overtime work करते हैं but overtime pay नहीं होती.
Yeah, that's not.
और अगर आप किसी और जैसे आप international में जाओगे, American, European, so what they will do is overtime is also fixed. You can't work more than like 8 hours per month overtime.
Yeah.
So that would be like 1 hour per day अगर आप 8 दिन में कर रहे हो एक्स्ट्रा काम. So and वो बहुत strict है उस मामले में, क्योंकि कंपनी डोंट वांट टू पे. और ठीक है, आपको लॉग इन भी नहीं करने देते उससे ऊपर. वो मेरे को लगता है थोड़ा कल्चर बढ़िया होना चाहिए. इंडियंस शुड बी
पेड,
लेड बैक इन द टर्म्स के भाई डेडलाइंस है तो पहले काम कर लो.
And this is the kind of corporate culture also, let me tell you frankly. Sometimes the kids also, the articles also, they love to delay the work. They're not working during the morning hours and afternoon hours, and then they extend it beyond.
I think human tendency.
Yeah, human tendency. So it's okay. It's yeah.
Ma'am, what about you? How do you balance your work life and study life? से वैसे ज़्यादा हम कर सकते हैं बात about your CA studying life and your personal life, your social life with doing CA.
So when I used to study, तो उस टाइम पे तो मैं सच बताऊँ तो मैं नहीं बैलेंस करती थी. most part of my day used to go in study only. तो obviously उस टाइम पे ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ अब तो क्लियर करना है, अब इस टाइम तो I have to clear. तो उस टाइम पे तो ऐसा होता था कि हाँ ज़्यादातर स्टडी. एंड हाँ, मैं ऐसा रखती थी कि कुछ टाइम अपनी फैमिली के साथ मैं ज़रूर बैठती थी. एटलीस्ट मैं वन या टू मील्स अपनी फैमिली के साथ ज़रूर लेती थी, स्पेशली डिनर के साथ बैठ के हम थोड़ी सी बातचीत करें और थोड़ा मेरा माइंड रिलैक्स हो. तो मैं अपनी मम्मा पापा के साथ बैठती थी, बातें करती थी. तो ऐसे थोड़ा उस टाइम पे ऐसा रहता था. बट नाउ इन कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ, तो अभी स्टार्टिंग में तो मेरे को बहुत ऐसे इशू होता था कि बैलेंस नहीं हो पाता था कि मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम.
Also I think you were out of station now, so
yeah. So I was in गुड़गांव back then. तो वहाँ पे तो बिल्कुल ही एक फैमिली से,
जब आपको टाइम मिलता है तब आप अपने पर्सनल चोर्स कर रहे होते हो.
Yeah, exactly. तो वहाँ पे तो सब कुछ खुद से करना होता था. तो ऐसा होता था कि नहीं मैनेज हो पाता था. थोड़ा सा इनिशियली डिफिकल्टी आती है जब आप बिल्कुल 25 इयर्स तक अपनी फैमिली के साथ रह रहे हो एंड सडनली आप उनसे बिल्कुल दूर रहने लग जाओ.
स्टडी के बाद भी अगर आप सीधा वर्क में जाओगे आपको डिफिकल्टी
आती है.
बिल्कुल. So now when I'm in Chandigarh right now, तो अभी मैं क्या करती हूँ, I make sure that मैं अपना ऑफिस का काम ऑफिस के आवर्स में कंप्लीट कर रही हूँ. बट समटाइम्स क्या होता है कि यू हैव टू वर्क एक्स्ट्रा. कई बार डेडलाइंस होते हैं, यू हैव टू पुट एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स. सो आई एम रेडी विद दैट. मैं अपने आप को कभी रिजिड नहीं करना चाहिए हमें खुद को, कि अपने आप को रिजिड कर लो कि नहीं मैं तो सैटरडे संडे वर्क नहीं करूँगी, मैं आफ्टर 8 वर्क नहीं करूँगी. समटाइम्स यू हैव टू वर्क. और उस मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कभी कभी वो एक्स्ट्रा पुश रिक्वायर्ड भी होता है और हमें करना भी चाहिए मेहनत, क्योंकि मैम भी कह रहे थे दैट दिस इज़ द एज. बट एट द सेम टाइम आई मेक श्योर कि अपने पर्सनल लाइफ को मतलब मेंटेन करूँ. और
दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
तो अपनी फैमिली को टाइम दूँ, तो मैं अपने फैमिली को टाइम देती हूँ. मुझे एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स का बहुत शौक है, तो कभी ड्राइंग, पेंटिंग, डांसिंग, तो ये सब मैं करती रहती हूँ. सो आई मेक श्योर कि मैं बैलेंस करूँ. या
बिल्कुल.
And I think nowadays socializing is also, like you were saying that during study days we were just working hard for our studies. So now once you are a chartered accountant, I think all our CAs love to socialize also. So even I enjoy doing that, having a good circle of friends.
I think but आप वो teach भी कर रहे हो ना, in a way personality
Yes.
development is about socializing.
Yes, it's
क्योंकि
about
student-
socializing,
हाँ,
networking, how you have
yeah,
to, like for banking also, if I'm telling them how you have to, pitch for the customers and how you have to speak. So
बिल्कुल
that is again part of your socializing.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल और आई थिंक सी ए स्टूडेंट्स को like क्योंकि हमारी स्टडी ही बहुत ज़्यादा वाइड है वी हैव टू गिव सम आवर्स बट वी कैन
very
ऑल्सो
important.
वीकेंड्स निकाल सकते हैं अपने लिए मेरे को ऐसा लगता है
बिल्कुल.
And even pursuing your hobby is very important. Like I keep
Yeah.
telling when I meet CA students for these interactive sessions that you should take out time for yourself, for your hobbies also. Like nowadays, walking, nature lovers, and everything, meditation, it is so important for your health. So I think one should take time for yourself as well.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल आई डोंट थिंक आप मतलब सैनिटी मेंटेन कर सकते हो बिना अपनी हॉबीज के सीए बढ़ते हुए
Exactly, exactly.
इनफैक्ट
Very
एनी
important.
कॉम्पिटिटिव फील्ड आपको कुछ तो चाहिए होगा
कुछ तो चाहिए,
सेपरेटली
Very
Exactly.
important.
अगर आप रूम से बाहर नहीं निकल रहे हो तो you'll go crazy.
You'll go crazy.
Yep, yep. What is the one thing, ma'am, that you think कि आप अगर एक छोटी हरलीन होती उसको बोलते while pursuing CA and similar for you but पहले मैम से पूछते हैं
Okay, if something I wanted to tell to myself regarding my profession
Like,
only.
you अगर आप अपने आप से बात कर पाते एक छोटी ठीक है छोटी और younger self what would you tell one thing कि ठीक है ये कर या फिर ये सही कर ये गलत कर ये
Okay,
क्या
then
करना
I
है
would
क्या
like to tell myself that you still have a lot of potential. Don't let your energies go waste. You still have more
very
to do.
nice and what would you tell yourself आप younger doing CA
एक्चुअली मैं बहुत ज़्यादा वरिड रहती थी क्योंकि जब एक बार अटेम्प्ट्स लगने स्टार्ट होते हैं ना
हाँ.
सो यू हैव एक तो एक लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर हो जाता है आपके ऊपर कुछ पीयर प्रेशर कुछ फ्रेंड्स कुछ रिलेटिव्स का भी तो अगर मैं अपने आप को यही बोलती कि टेंशन मत ले यू हैव अ वेरी लॉन्ग वे टू गो एंड थिंग्स विल गो गुड तो जब मैं जिस दिन सीए बनी थी आई रिमेंबर जैसे मैंने रिजल्ट देखा था ना आई क्राइड फॉर 20 मिनट्स वो जो खुशी होती है ना तो मुझे लगा कि यार अल्टीमेटली अगर आप मेहनत करोगे ना आपको अपना गोल अचीव हो जाएगा
results
सो
आते हैं।
मैं अपने आप को ये बोलती कि ज़्यादा टेंशन नहीं लेने का चिल कर सब हो जाएगा
एक्चुअली आई थिंक हम जब भी लुक बैक करते हैं सो हमें लगता है कि हम यंगर सेल्फ बहुत ओवर थिंकिंग बहुत वरिंग होते हैं
Yes,
बिल्कुल।
yes, yes.
और बट दैट वाज फॉर आई थिंक फॉर अ टीनेज सेल्फ अगर उससे हम पहले जाए तो वी वर वेरी केयरफ्री
Yeah.
वेरी एम्बिशियस
Exactly. This is what actually the generations. Yeah,
हमारा
it happens.
राइट
It
राइट राइट
happens.
इनफैक्ट मेरी एज के बहुत लोगों में बहुत इश्यूज है ये वाले फॉर आई डोंट नो फॉर सम रीजन मे बी जस्ट बिकॉज आई टॉक अलॉट आई टॉक टू डिफरेंट पीपल मेरे को बात करना आ गया वो मैंने अपने आप से बात करके भी वो चीज़ें निकाल दी हैं
Yeah.
मे बी दैट इज द रीजन बट आई कम्प्लीटली अंडरस्टैंड बोथ ऑफ योर पॉइंट्स आई थिंक ऑडियंस भी काफ़ी रिलेट करेगी इन चीज़ों से
Exactly, they will.
Yep, yep. So generally आप लोगों का माइंडसेट क्या होता है डू यू वांट टू ग्रो मनी एक्सपोनेंशियली या फिर डू यू आर यू सेटल्ड इन योर करियर एंड हैप्पी विद द नेचर ऑफ ग्रोथ जैसे आपकी होती है आई एम श्योर दिसका आई थिंक मे बी एज का भी डिफरेंस एट व्हाट पॉइंट ऑफ करियर यू आर एट योर लाइफ वो भी मैटर करता है बट अगर आप एक ओवरव्यू वाइडर ओवरव्यू दे पाए फ्रॉम
So-
बिगिनिंग टू नाउ
Okay, actually, on this question, I'm remembering a book, Shiv Khera ji ki book hai. Recently, I have read about You Can Win. Yes.
Okay, okay.
So now I'll tell my answer again.
हाँ जी बिल्कुल
So, referring to the book of Mr. Shiv Khera, You Can Win, it's a very popular book and I enjoy reading that. So, they have a very nice quote in that, for some people, success is determined by how much money they are earning. And at the same time, for some people, success is like the kind of recognition and respect you get in the society. So I enjoy the second part more when I
Wow.
move along with my CA students. They feel happy to see me and they like my motivation. Like I'm a motivational speaker also because again communication skills, public speakings have already been my part of career. So I love to do that. So I believe that that is my role of success. So I don't count it in the monetary terms. So satisfaction is something which gives me more happiness. Whatever you're doing in your
I think
career, you should be happy.
exactly what the satisfaction I was looking for
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
And what about you, ma'am? Do you think you are more ambitious towards growing your money, or are you like somewhat satisfied with the nature of growth you have?
So at this point of time, at this age, I want my money to grow exponentially,
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
right? And I believe that you will never be satisfied. Once you achieve a goal, you will have some other goal, and then another goal. So I believe that you will never be satisfied. So just be happy, enjoy the moment. In whatever, like we are right now, we are here, so we are enjoying the conversations.
Yes.
So
enjoying the moment is very
Bilkul.
nice.
And coming back to the question, so right now at this point of time, at this age, So I am in such a way that I can take risk.
बिल्कुल.
So I would like to grow my money exponentially, and after a certain point of time, like I will be happy with the natural growth coming.
I can relate to मैम also, but हाँ मैं आपके पॉइंट पे भी आगे एक थोड़ा सा elaborate करूँगा that मेरे को पहले the starting journey of any CA student is के it earns money everything and all. मैंने although CA से पहले थोड़ा वो देख लिया फेस, तो मेरे को लगता है कि still I want to grow my money exponentially, but I can see the flaws of my logic जब मैं पहले use करता था that okay, once I'll become a CA I'll earn this amount of money, once I'll become this I'll have this, I'll have that. अब मेरे को लगता है कि unless I'm working for it, जो भी मेरे को मिला है वो that is enough for today, उसमें satisfaction, but at the same time एक मेरा hunger है, भूख है कल के लिए.
Yes.
That is important.
हाँ, so वो greed से पहले आती है. पहले आई थिंक जो शुरू होता है वो काफ़ी फैक्टर उसमें भी होता है, बट आई थिंक क्योंकि सीए काफ़ी मिडिल क्लास से लोग करने आते हैं, क्योंकि इट इज़ स्टिल आई थिंक वन ऑफ द बेस्ट वेज जो आप अपने फैमिली को फाइनेंशियल उससे निकाल सकते हो.
Exactly.
ये हम बहुत बात करते हैं मैं पॉडकास्ट पे, तो बहुत बड़े बड़े लोग आते हैं, तो मैं ना कभी कभी भूल जाता हूँ कि हमारे इंडिया में टॉप 10% पीपल आर जिनकी 4 लाख पर एनम से ज़्यादा इनकम है. सो समटाइम आई फॉरगेट टू बी ग्रेटफुल. दीज डेज पता नहीं क्यों मैं थोड़ा ऐसे सूफी सा हो रखा हूँ.
Yeah, nee, but you know that's very important. Gratitude is something which you should have in your mind. So coming back to the same point, asking about money. So if you have that greed, but again if you're not satisfied, sleeping without being satisfied is again something you're
greed
forgetting.
is ना कि आप satisfy होगे ही नहीं कभी.
होगे ही नहीं. So वो वाली चीज़, अब I have seen people who are earning lots and lots of money, they're investing it, so we are doubling it in mutual funds and all those kind of things we're doing, but still we are not satisfied. अब कैसे होगा, अब और कैसे, so that race of running behind the money should not be there. So that gratitude word is exactly something that you have said, right? That you should have that gratitude in life.
हाँ, मेरा उसके लिए ना एक क्राइटेरिया है कि रात को चैन से सो पा रहे हो या नहीं, या
Yes,
कम पैसा है तो कम पैसे की टेंशन है, ज़्यादा पैसा तो ज़्यादा पैसे की टेंशन है.
ज़्यादा पैसे की टेंशन, इनकम टैक्स भरो फिर जाकर, फिर वो भी है ना, exemptions लो and
मेरे को ज़्यादा पैसा पर कोई टेंशन नहीं चाहिए.
exactly.
I want the best of the both worlds. Maybe I'm too optimistic, but देखते हैं, कोई बात नहीं.
Exactly.
तो अच्छा थोड़े अब I want to come to the gender roles that you might have seen here, क्योंकि मेरे को था अगर अब गेस्ट दोनों फीमेल लीड्स होंगी, I want them to know, क्योंकि मैं फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस नहीं कर सकता ये चीज़, कि आपको कभी जेंडर बायसनेस लगी है इन योर फील्ड, स्पेशल आपकी सेपरेट फील्ड्स में, कॉर्पोरेट एंड इन योर फ्रीलांस जर्नी, एंड अगर आप थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन कर पाए.
So, see, I have, by God's grace, I've never faced this gender biasness as of
अभी
now.
इस
But
पॉडकास्ट से पहले मैम को लगा था मैं issues you have
yes, so
faced.
I've never faced. This is the only thing, like I mentioned about the cab instance when I've joined Deloitte. So I told them, so they had an argument also that this thing was not told to you during the interview that cab will be given. So I said, you said when we sit late in the evening, we'll be given cab. So you also did not specify the timing. So he was like, he was fighting with me. You're saying at 7 p.m. you need a cab. So I said, I came from Chandigarh. I have never stood on the road and asking the auto to stop. How will I stand on the roads of Delhi and ask for the auto
Delhi
to stop?
is a very scary place.
He told me that you can go by bus, but I have never done that.
Yep.
So you as a company have to take care of my these kind of needs, or you tell me I'm ready to come little early in the morning, but if I am leaving late, cab should be given to me. So this kind of gender biasness, yes, I did face initially in my career. But I want to tell you one thing very important. If you can speak up for your rights, again communication skills really play a very important role. अगर आप यहाँ तो चुप करके दब जाओ और बैठो कि चलो जी आई एम हियर फॉर द जॉब, आई हैव टू बेयर इट, then you keep bearing it and all those other kind of things also you have to bear, but you have to learn to speak for yourself.
फॉर दिस ना मैं अगर किसी को एडवाइस तो मेरी छोटी सिस्टर या किसी को अगर कि आपको कुछ अगर इशू लगे वर्क स्पेस में, तो हाउ डू यू आस्क इज सिंपली आस्क फॉर क्लैरिफिकेशन. जैसे मैम ने पूछा कि व्हाई इज दिस अ जेंडर स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन, बट नॉट इन इवन दैट वे. यू कैन जस्ट सिंपली आस्क के आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू मीन बाय दैट.
Yes.
तो जो सामने वाला है, इफ ही इज बायस्ड ही विल हैव टू एक्सप्लेन. दैट इज वेरी एम्बैरेसिंग अगर आप हो in a public setting.
Yes.
अगर आप नहीं हो then you can get a clarification.
You can get a
So,
clarification.
win-win
Then
हो
that
जाता है.
that will happen only if you know how to speak. Now this is the thing which the children and students are lacking about. Communication skills again come and play a very important
Again,
role
वही,
in
so,
everyone's
for
life.
example, even if one of my friends she will say कि यार मेरे को ऐसे इशू आ रहा है यहाँ पे ऐसे वर्क स्पेस में, I don't know how to speak. I'll just say ask for clarification.
Ask for
that
clarification.
उनका क्या मतलब था इस बात से, ठीक है. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है. अगर मैम coming to you, have you ever faced like issues?
Yeah. during my articleship. So
Okay.
yeah, so at that time I was not able to understand that, but now I understand that our principal used to send boys to the outstation audits.
हाँ.
So at that time, you are very curious to learn and to learn new projects and learn new assignments. So our CA used to send boys only to the outstation audit. So at that time we used to think that why we are not sent, but later on we were made to understand and we realized that due to our safety issues.
Okay, okay. नहीं, so would that be in a positive way or like?
See, the companies, the audits were of mostly of liquor companies, so that's why
Okay.
girls were not
Okay,
sent.
okay, okay.
But at that time, we had that craze that we have to go, we have to learn.
We also
have
want to see how is the
happens,
world,
how-
explore the things. तो वो
how-
चीज़ होती है मन
yeah,
में, right,
yeah.
right, right.
So then we came to know that नहीं.
Where I used to work, they used to do is कि वो team ही send करते हैं mixed. So उनका I think a better approach है कि even if it's an outstation audit or for example we had a chemical corporation audit, so they were a mixed team.
Yeah,
I think
they
that is a better way
sometimes
कि
they
आप
want
safety
that the
ensure
team,
कर
yeah,
सकते हो,
safety
right?
ensure
So
कर
it's
सकते
not like they were biased, but उनका वो safety
हाँ, right,
reason
right,
से.
right. They don't
ऐसा
know, I
नहीं
don't
था कि
think
वो
उनको
लड़कियों को
counter
भी-
करना आता है कि okay कैसे करें इस बात को
उनको
counter.
था कि ठीक है गर्ल्स को नियर बाय ऑडिट से भेज देंगे एंड आउट स्टेशन के लिए क्योंकि वो कंपनीज इस तरीके से हैं तो वी विल सेंड बॉयज.
Sometimes
तो
I
we
think
also understood
family
that.
pressure भी हो जाता है जो आपके articles है.
Exactly.
उनकी families भी बोलती हैं कि we are not
Exactly,
comfortable
We are
sending
not
them.
comfortable in
कुछ
sending.
कुछ फैमिलीज भी बोल देते राइट राइट. तो ऐसा नहीं था कि बाइसनेस थी बट यस कुछ वो जो सेफ्टी कंसर्न्स थे वही थे.
But like I think काफ़ी issues हैं अभी भी जो फेस करने पड़ते हैं. मैं आपकी तरफ से ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोलना चाहता बट मैंने ये बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ नोटिस करी है एज आई गॉट मोर ओल्डर ना. तो जो कि मेरे हिसाब से अभी इस टाइम पे नहीं होने चाहिए थे. वी आर लिविंग इन 21st सेंचुरी.
Yeah.
काफ़ी ज़्यादा आउटडेटेड होती हैं ये चीज़ें. इवन इन सम ऑफ माई फीमेल बिजनेस ओनर्स सो दे सेड कि उनको क्रेडिट में दिक्कत आती थी एंड दे सेड कि उनके हस्बैंड को सेम सिमिलर क्रेडिट दे गॉट दैट इजीली.
So the trustworthiness
Yes,
is
yes,
very
yes.
difficult still to be
Yep.
built on the female.
सो उसके लिए भी मेरे को लगता है काफ़ी इश्यूज है. एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ व्हाट डू यू थिंक के चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी में ओवरऑल इन दिस फील्ड डू यू थिंक देयर इज अ बायसनेस पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव इफ देयर इज लाइक एम्पावरमेंट और या फिर थोड़ा अभी है बायसनेस इस फील्ड में?
See, I have a different perspective on this.
Fine.
It is about CA females also to come forward. Like if I just take an example, I don't know
Okay.
whether it's a correct forum to give example of our own very branch where the female members don't come forward. Many of the time when we have seminars or different kind of events, the females themselves
Come
are
forward for
attending the things.
अच्छा for opportunities.
For
Okay, okay.
opportunities,
I thought I'm sorry
maybe-
I'm taking it very wrong way. I thought
The
they are
females like hesitant, like
for opportunities.
not even
Yeah,
hesitant
right.
for opportunities, but they're not willing to, whenever we have certain kind of events organized for chartered accountants. So it is a mail comes to everyone, whether it is males, females, to all the CAs it goes. But if you'll see a strength in a seminar also, there will be 5% of the females chartered accountants who are attending it, whether it is for a business opportunity or it is for a learning scope. Or for CPRs also, we generally prefer to send a fees and we don't go for that. So how will, I mean to say coming forward means that you have to go out and meet everyone. You have to find the networking opportunities.
Would it be
So maybe at times the female chartered accountants, I believe, are also at fault that they don't move around. And then we feel that males are not giving us an opportunity to grow and do business.
हाँ.
So women empowerment will happen only if we are also willing to do that. We can feel empowered only when we are actually moving
Right,
around.
so I think in a way if you feel like कि आप opportunities को खुद ही explore नहीं कर रहे हो so
Explore नहीं करो, maybe that
would
is
be
a
all.
better word to use. So if you're not yourself coming forward and exploring. So if you talk about gender biasness, it's actually not there. Maybe we ourselves at times create it. This is what I mean to say.
it would be a limitation ना जो आप create कर रहे हो अपने mind में and this is
Yes.
not for female
Yes.
specific. I think men भी if you're not going out to events for example I
Events,
was
yeah.
surprised कि अच्छा आप सारे events attend कर रहे हो
मैं
ICA
तो
वाले.
करती हूँ.
Yeah, even I love to
Usually
do that.
मैं भी नहीं कर पाता तो मेरे को लगता है that is a very good thing.
Whenever I
Yeah,
go
I
on the
attend.
stage as a member, I always tell that like we have a branch institute running over there. We have teachers who encourage CA students to come forward and participate. So I tell my students that we never had these kind of opportunities, and me as a member, I love to take avail all these opportunities. So that is the kind of thing that you have to have from within. You can't force anyone that females should come or males should not come. Somebody I heard in one of the branches, they were saying female chartered accountant should not be sitting on the first row when the seminar is going on. That was very surprising. I don't know which branch it happened. But then these kind of biasness should not be there. That might be
Right,
offending
that is
her.
a very good example of
हाँ,
कि ये
like,
क्यों
ये क्यों
Sense
मतलब
नहीं
ये
बनाता
does
इस
not
चीज़
make
की, yes.
sense. Yeah, I just overheard it, but then if it is
Okay.
true, then it
No,
is
this
very
is very
surprising.
disappointing.
It's very surprising also at the same time.
I think के matter नहीं करता you're male or female. I like a good competition.
Yeah,
If I
it's
get
always
from
good.
anyone, and it's even attractive. It gains respect. अगर आप सामने वाला कोई भी person हो, मेरे को अगर male female whatever मिला, अगर they are very ambitious, that is a very attractive, respectful thing. कि all right, I respect you. I see where you're going. वो मेरे को लगता है कि I see very less in corporate women. I don't know why. I'm not trying to be that.
Yeah.
और अगर मैंने बात करी है for X number of corporate women, so 60% of them don't want any growth. वो मेरे को बहुत weird लगता है. I don't know why. I mean youngsters
Yeah.
in our age group as well. And men में I think वो थोड़ा सा नंबर थोड़ा सा low है, but men are also in a way, I think वो आपकी फील्ड से भी काफ़ी related होगा, that people are limiting themselves कि
Yes,
opportunities
they're
के
limiting
लिए.
themselves. They don't want to go and explore. They don't want to come forward. So that is, you keep on learning. Never stops basically. So as and when you get opportunities, you should explore them. You should come forward.
Right.
No, but I am a person. I always attend all the events. Be it sports day, yoga day. I am always there at ICA all the events.
Yeah,
And
that's
even in my corporate office also, like there are several competitions, mocktail competition and some other competitions. I always participate there. So I am always up
It's
for
good, no?
extracurricular
Yes,
activities.
That's important.
I had to force myself to become that. I was a very introverted guy till 11th. Even till now, I think I am introvert at heart in some things. Like, I'm okay being alone. I'm okay in my own company. I enjoy myself.
Yeah.
But I think मैं बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों से जब बात करने लग गया, so in an extroverted way, मैं
So
events
that is,
join
that
करता
is the beauty of the transition that you
Yes.
see within yourself. It is really an achievement. It is very difficult to make change an introvert personality
Yeah.
because I meet students at time who are very
You
reluctant
won't
to speak.
believe, मैं अपने दोस्तों से कांटेक्ट 12th के बाद 4 साल कांटेक्ट ही नहीं किया क्योंकि मैं इंट्रोवर्ट था. I
Yeah.
did not have a phone number. So
Yeah.
मेरे बेस्ट ऑफ द फ्रेंड्स, I had no friend till 4 years. 4 साल बाद मेरे दोस्त फोन करता है कि चलो मिलते हैं.
हाँ.
वो मेरे घर आ जाता है, तो that's how I start.
That's
भाई
how
ठीक
you
है.
started moving.
Yes.
So I believe for a teacher also the biggest return is when a student comes and tells me, "Ma'am, मैं बोल नहीं पा रहा था, but now I can handle the stage very well." So you feel so proud of yourself that I am able to make a change in someone's life.
ना तो आई कैन, मेरे को तो आप कहीं भी खड़ा हो, आप देख, मैं कहीं पे भी बात कर सकता हूँ. मैं YouTube पे लाइव आ जाता हूँ कुछ भी बात करने को.
That's wonderful, no?
So क्लोजिंग क्वेश्चन चलते हैं. आई थिंक काफ़ी ज़्यादा लंबा हो जाएगा वरना.
Yeah.
What are the values that you think you need to teach young CAs in general? आपको भी क्या लगता है कि values जो हम lack कर रहे हैं as young CAs जो new बन रहे हैं?
So for the CAs as well as for the any kind of generation, the younger generation, I believe moral values is something which is really lacking in today's
Can you
youth.
give an example of that?
So even whether you talk about schools or colleges, the respect is something that is really important. That I have seen students in school also, like they're not respecting teachers. Mobiles and the social media is really changing a lot. I wanted to speak about AI role in CA also. I'll just have a word about that also.
Oh, बिल्कुल.
But apart from that, like how the social media is impacting today's youth, you should not forget the moral values and respect of your elders, of your teachers, of your parents, which is something very important, more important than your studies and career also. So just for an example, I tell my students, my own child at times, my son, that I don't mind if you get less marks in any subject. Like if you have got 4 out of 10 in maths, I would not mind that. But if I come to know that you don't respect your parents, don't respect your elders or teachers, then I would definitely mind, because that is something which is going to help you and get real success in life. Your marks might be good, but if you don't know how to speak well, then it's very difficult to do something good in life.
आई थिंक मेरे को यंग एज में मेरे पेरेंट्स ने ये चीज़ बताई भी क्या, ये टीच करी थी कि आई मीन नॉट टू डिसरिस्पेक्ट योर टीचर्स. मैं आसपास के अगर हम स्टूडेंट होते थे तो देखते थे बच्चे कुछ भी उल्टा सीधा बोल रहे हैं टीचर्स के लिए, और मैं सोचता
Teachers,
था
elders, parents,
that-
anyone.
yeah,
Anyone for
but
that
I'm
matter.
talking about टीचर स्पेसिफिक, क्योंकि मेरे को लगता था कि व्हाई आर यू बीइंग सो मीन टू दैट टीचर
Yeah.
जो यहाँ पे सिर्फ अपना काम करने आई है. मे बी शी इज हैविंग सम इश्यूज और व्हाटएवर. इवन सम टीचर्स वर मीन टू मी, बट आई वुड ऑलवेज गिव देम बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट के ऑल राइट, मे बी आई एम रॉन्ग और मे बी शी इज फ्रस्ट्रेटेड ऑफ समथिंग,
Yeah.
दैट्स फाइन, नो प्रॉब्लम.
Yeah.
ग्रजेस नहीं रखता, तो somehow maybe that was ingrained in me, so शायद मेरे को biasness हो गया हो या
Yeah,
whatever, but
yeah.
I'm grateful again
Exactly.
कि ये habit मेरे में आई. That is
Yes.
I think मैं teachers के लिए bias हूँ थोड़ा.
हाँ.
मैंने आपको बताया कि I give a lot of credit to my teachers.
Yes.
Even for my CA journey, for my maths, whatever Olympiads I've won, I
Yeah.
think मैं teachers के लिए अपने बहुत वो रहता हूँ, grateful रहता हूँ कि
Yeah,
she was my teacher, she taught me something.
Yes, and the teachers, when they boost your confidence, they motivate you. So it's a lifelong journey that you remember that ma'am ने मुझे कहा था तो I did that.
More of के how teachers make you feel, not even कि आप वो कुछ पढ़ा रहे हैं. Sometimes मेरे कोई टीचर थे भी नहीं डायरेक्टली स्कूल में. Sometimes रैंडमली अगर किसी से बात हो रही है, वो टीचर ने कुछ ऐसा बोल दिया जो मेरे को लगा अरे ये तो बिल्कुल मेरे लिए बात करी है
मेरे लिए करिए.
सो ऐसा भी हो जाता है. सो मैम, कमिंग टू यू, व्हाट डू यू थिंक आर द वैल्यूज दैट वी आर लैकिंग एज यंगस्टर्स, अगर आप अपने कॉर्पोरेट में भी न्यू जॉइनर्स को देखते हो?
सबसे पहले तो मैं मैम की बात से एग्री करूँगी कि वो जो एथिक्स है ना वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड सेकेंडली अडेप्टेबिलिटी, अगर आप कॉर्पोरेट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखो तो अडेप्टेबिलिटी, बिकॉज अपने आप को अडेप्ट करना एक बिल्कुल डिफरेंट कल्चर में, वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो मेरे अकॉर्डिंग है अडेप्टेबिलिटी. तो क्योंकि आपको जैसे मैं आपको अपना भी बता रही थी कि मैं मिड साइज से थी, और फिर तो वो जो अडेप्टेबिलिटी थी वो मेरे अंदर था कि आई हैव टू अडेप्ट, आई हैव टू लर्न, सो दैट हेल्प मी. तो अडेप्टेबिलिटी बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि हम ना अपने आप को रिजिड बना लेते हैं कि यार ये तो नहीं करेंगे हम. तो वो एक रिजिडनेस को हटाना बहुत ज़रूरी है और अडेप्ट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि चेंज ही एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो कांस्टेंट है. सो वो चेंज के साथ अडेप्ट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
आई एम सीइंग अ लॉट ऑफ rigidity in Gen Z,
Yeah.
for example, people,
Exactly.
even in mid-sized firms.
Yeah.
Even अगर मैं CA को हटा के अगर मैं सेपरेटली अगर हायर भी कर रहा हूँ, फॉर एग्जांपल एडिटिंग वर्क के लिए, किसी ABC XYZ वर्क के लिए, they are very rigid, like I won't work this, I want this money.
Yeah.
They have zero skills, they want the best of the salaries.
Yeah.
I'm saying get so good skills कि आपको वो सैलरी डिनाई ना हो पाए. You are an asset, but right now आप आस्क कर रहे हो कि आपका वो स्किल नहीं है, हम वो आपको स्किल भी सिखाएं and we pay you top dollars for that. So वो नहीं होगा, तो मेरे को लगता है वो भी rigidity में आता है.
Rigidity में, exactly.
And why do you think कि थोड़ा Gen Z में वो ज़्यादा आ रहा है? I'm seeing this pattern, I'm not sure कि true है या नहीं, but मैंने ये pattern देखा है that जो generation after 2005, 6, 7 born है,
Yeah.
they have that rigidity that corporate में वो काम नहीं करेंगे, कि उन्हें पता 3-4 महीने ठीक है काम करके then बहुत ही lazy work होता है जो. Do you think
So
that?
they are not much prepared to do the tough kind of work. In fact, of lazy, I would say, like when Big Four, so you really have to work hard. So maybe they have seen the pressure and you have the opportunities to do something else. That is one reason. When you have something else, an opportunity in hand, then you become more rigid. That okay, ye nahi to I have another opportunity, I can move forward for that.
Right.
So that is one of the things that they feel like doing it. And nowadays, you must have seen a chartered accountant is not just myself. I'm giving you an example that I'm not just working, I'm not practicing, and I'm not working in a CA field, but still I'm happy and satisfied in my life as a personality development coach. I'm enjoying that work. I'm teaching different subjects. I have been teacher for HR subjects also, although it's not my field also, but still I learned about it. I studied that and taught that. So again, you have opportunities. So if you feel that you can do something in life, then that's the reason why you feel like saying no to those kind of things, because you can explore more.
I think rigidity उस वे में good भी
Yes, it can be good in a perspective also.
good way in a way that
For yourself you are very
you're standing up for yourself. You
yeah,
don't
you're
want to be
standing up for
exploited.
yourself. You want, yes.
But I
yes,
think
yes.
वो कहाँ गलत चली जाती है, इसके हमें आदत पड़ जाती है.
Adaptability is something which is important. I think I will agree with that,
हाँ,
because
adaptability is
adjustment
different.
आनी
Yep,
चाहिए.
yep, yep.
अब a student is getting a good package and good salary, but he is not ready to adapt to the environment. That is a very major issue, because that attrition rate is also going very high.
Yeah.
In banking, like we get the students placed, and the other day only the child comes and tells us, "Ma'am, we have to do so
ये
much
मैम
work."
ट्रेंड ओवरऑल है.
Overall.
टर्नओवर इज एम्प्लॉय टर्नओवर इज इंक्रीजिंग सो मच.
हाँ,
आई
exactly.
गेट इट अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी है, बट एट द सेम टाइम वो
वो
भी
नहीं
एक
होना
है दैट वी
चाहिए.
आर गिविंग अप.
हाँ,
सो
giving up on that.
अडैप्टिव मेरे को
At times you are ruining your career also by doing that. You know, when you're just leaving the job and jumping to the another, and then you realize that okay, the pressure is same here also. Why did I did that mistake? So this is again one of the things that need to be taught to the youth, that loyalty and commitment towards an organization is very important.
मैं एक बिजनेसमैन से बात कर रहा था. सो ही सेड के जो गुड़गांव नोएडा जैसे एरियाज है जहाँ पे न्यू बिजनेसेस आ रहे हैं, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप लॉयल रहो उस बिजनेस से फॉर करियर ग्रोथ. बट
Yes.
इन सिटीज़ लाइक बैंगलोर, मुंबई, जो हाइपर कंपेटिटिव है, जहाँ पे आप रिप्लेसेबल हो, वहाँ पे यू कैन स्विच योर जॉब्स, डज नॉट मैटर, क्योंकि वो कंपनी दूसरी हायर कर लेगी, आपको कोई और मिल जाएगा. बट अगर आपको ग्रोथ अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ छोटे शहरों में देखनी है, तो लॉयल्टी वुड बी अ गुड वे टू गो. मेरे साथ ये प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी रिजिडिटी वाली 6 months पहले, जब मैंने रियलाइज़ किया कि मैं अपने वेज में बहुत ऐसा हो गया कि मैं काम करूँगा 10 से 5, उसके बाद काम नहीं करूँगा. और आई हैड लेफ्ट माई बैंकिंग, सो इट वॉज नॉट फिक्स्ड आवर्स देन. आई हैड टू आइदर वर्क कि भाई ये काम आज कंप्लीट होना चाहिए, उसको 10 घंटे लगे 12 घंटे लगे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. बट आई वॉज रिजिड कि मेरे से नहीं होगा, 10 से 5 करेंगे, उसके बाद नहीं करेंगे. मैंने अपने रिजल्ट्स ऐसे डिक्लाइन होते देखे हैं. सो मेरे को और
So sometimes rigidness help you also, no? If you're being rigid, yeah.
I was rigid कि ठीक है अभी जितना करेंगे उतना करेंगे. बट मैं भूल जाता हूँ कि ठीक है, जब आप 8 से 10 घंटे दे सकते हो तो क्यों नहीं दे रहे हो. प्रोडक्टिव 8 से 10 घंटे,
Productive, yeah.
वो हमें बोलते हैं कि 14 घंटे पढ़ो, उसमें से 10 तो प्रोडक्टिव ही निकलते हैं ना.
Yeah, right.
हाँ. सो वो वाला चीज़ अगर आप 10 लेके बैठोगे तो 5 निकलेंगे मुश्किल से. अब फाइनली कंक्लूजन क्वेश्चंस पे आ रहे हैं मैम. व्हाट आर योर गोल्स फॉर योर फ्यूचर सेल्फ, बोथ प्रोफेशनली एंड पर्सनली, अगर आप चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट हो, स्टार्टिंग विद एनीवन मैम.
So talking about professional goals, I want to be at a good leadership position. Talking about my corporate life, and in personal life, I want to achieve a healthy work-life balance and help my family, provide for all their needs, as I'm the only first started accountant in my family. So एक वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी हो जाती है, इवन इफ आपके पेरेंट्स आपको कुछ भी नहीं बोलते, बट एक खुद से होता है. सो आई वांट कि मैं उनके सारे ड्रीम्स पूरे करूं, एंड दिस इज नो पर्सनल गोल.
So no, like you don't want to practice? Have you ever thought?
Maybe after a certain point of time, but not right now.
अरे बिल्कुल.
Right now I'm happy with the corporate job.
मैं उसमें आपको सिर्फ एक छोटी सी एडवाइस दूंगा कि प्रेशर यूजुअली आ जाता है उन पे जो फैमिली में जैसे कि थोड़े अर्निंग वाले बच्चे बन जाते हैं, जब सिमिलर फॉर मी के थोड़ा या तो फादर को रिटायर करना, उस वे में प्रेशर आ जाता है. दैट अब उनको बोल देते थे यू शुड रिलैक्स, स्ट्रेस मत लो अपने काम का, वी आर हियर टू हैंडल. सो बट उसको अपने वो सर पे मत आने देना, क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा, मैं कहूँगा सबसे ज़्यादा वजन जिस चीज़ में होता है ना, वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के प्रेशर में होता है.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ मैं बहुत प्रेशर नहीं ले रही हूँ, बट
मेरी एक जनरल एडवाइस थी, पता नहीं
नहीं
अभी आप नहीं ले रहे हो, शायद आगे के लिए कभी आप फ्यूचर में पॉडकास्ट दोबारा देखो तो.
नहीं, आई एग्री विद यू, बट ऐसा है कि मुझे मतलब मेरा बहुत मन है कि मैं उनके लिए कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा करूँ.
वो तो अल्टीमेट गोल है.
goal
आई थिंक ग्रीड से बाहर निकल के बंदा सोचता है अब करना क्या है, जो 4 लोग आसपास है उनके लिए तो करना है.
Yes, for your family.
वो भी थोड़ा सेल्फिशली होता है कि मुझे ही सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलेगी उनको कुछ देके. बट मेरे को लगता है फिर अगर आप 4 लोगों के साथ शेयर करने के लिए है नहीं कुछ, फिर फायदा नहीं कुछ भी. फिर करोड़ों की चीज़ें मज़ा नहीं आता. जैसे आप दोस्तों के साथ ट्रिप पे जाते हो तो मज़ा आता है ना. And ma'am, for you, what are your future
again,
goals?
professionally, as I already mentioned to you, that I look forward to become a TED speaker, because following the same field in the personality development and all these kind of training, I look forward that if I get an opportunity, I don't know how the directions will work for that, but this is what I have like just dreamt about.
I have a few people who have spoken in TED Talks. I might connect soon with them. मैं आपको बताता हूँ उनका प्रोसीजर क्या होता है. It's very easy.
Definitely. I really look forward. I want to see that forum. I want to be on the stage at that time.
I'll keep that in mind.
Definitely.
वैसे इंडिया का भी एक बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है, जोश टॉक्स.
Yeah.
It's similar to TED Talks, but for Indians.
Yeah.
And उसमें काफ़ी एथलीट्स हैं जो मेरी नॉलेज में है, जो वर्ल्ड चैंपियंस बने.
Okay.
They were with them.
Okay.
So बिल्कुल ये इसी के साथ कंक्लूड करते हैं. आई थिंक काफ़ी लंबा हो जाएगा.